You ever look at a problem and just think, man, someone's got to fix that? Well, today's story is about someone who actually did. They saw a huge problem facing small businesses and decided to build a solution themselves from scratch.
So let's just get right to the heart of it with this question. What if you can't afford the software you need to run your business? I mean, you've got this passion, this great idea, but the tools to make it happen, they're just way too expensive.
You know, for the big companies, this isn't even a problem. Software, it's just another expense on a spreadsheet, a totally standard cost of doing business that they just expect.
And here's where you can really see the two different worlds. On one side, you've got these huge companies juggling subscriptions, licenses, all that complicated stuff. And on the other, a small shop, a simple PC, really basic needs, and let's be honest, pretty much no budget. That right there, that's the massive gap we're talking about.
Okay, so this gap isn't just a small thing. It can literally stop a small business from ever getting off the ground. And this is exactly the problem that a developer saw and thought, okay, I can do something about this. And their response? Super direct. So I built a free cloud-based POS and inventory web app. I love that. No messing around. That one sentence is the jump from, here's a problem to, here's the solution I built. And the solution itself is just brilliant in its simplicity. First off, it runs right in your browser. No installs, no headaches. All your data stored securely up in the cloud. And the best part? It focuses only on what a small shop actually needs. None of that extra stuff. No bloat.
So what really makes this different from all the paid stuff out there? Let's dig in.
This pretty much says it all, right? The creator is hitting on the three biggest pain points for any small business owner. No subscriptions, no license fees, and maybe most importantly, no hidden charges. Just gone.
So how much does it cost? Well, there's the number. 0. A big fat 0. That's what you pay in fees. Nothing. And you have to understand, the whole reason this project exists is different. This wasn't some startup trying to get venture capital. Nope. This was just about making a practical tool to solve a real problem for real people. The goal was to be useful, not to make a bunch of money.
And here's the cool part. This isn't just some idea or a mock-up. It's a real working tool. And you can actually try it for yourself right now.
Yeah, the creator put a demo version out there for anyone to use. You don't have to download a thing, no signing up for some annoying free trial. You just open your web browser and start clicking around. It's that easy. It's literally just 2 steps. Step 1, go to the link you see here. Step 2, pop in the demo login info. That's it. You're in. Okay, and here's that info for you. The username is testuser@gmail.com. And the password is test, that's with a capital T, then the @ symbol, and then 1234. If you want to give it a shot, now's a great time to pause and check it out.
So if you play around with the demo and you're thinking, hey, this could actually work for my shop or maybe for a friend's business, all you have to do is get in touch with the creator to talk about a production-ready version.
All right, so this brings up the million-dollar question, right? Why go through all the trouble of building something like this and then just give it away for free? What's the catch?
And the answer is actually super straightforward. The creator says, I'm sharing this openly to get feedback and learn from real-world usage. So it's not about money. It's about learning, getting feedback from people actually using it, and seeing how it works out there in the real world. And really, at the end of the day, this whole project is like an open invitation. The creator wants to connect with other people who love building useful software for real users. It's all about creating a community with a common goal.
Which leaves us with one final thought. This entire story happened because one person saw a problem, had a skill, and decided to connect the two. It just goes to show what's possible. So it makes you wonder, right? What problem is right there in front of you that could be solved with a simple, free tool?